Hi, this is Donna Suzor, It Works Independent Double Diamond Executive, and I'm going to explain to you how to set up an online party on Facebook. It's pretty easy. Just bring up your Facebook page and you're going to see your name, edit profile, favorites. Underneath that is news feed, messages, events, and photos. You're going to click on events. To the right, you're going to see invites, create event today. So click on event. Now you're going to name that. So let's say I am going to name it Donna's Wrap Party. Details would be about the party. Tighten, tone, and firm in 45 minutes with the Ultimate Body Applicator. I would suggest putting your website in, maybe your phone number. If you're not comfortable with your phone number, then at least an email. Where you're not really going to have it at a certain place because it's going to be online, so I would put your website in that location. When do you want your party? Do you want it this week? Next week? Just pick a date. Add a time. Is it going to be 9 a.m.? Is it going to be 6 p.m.? Is it going to be all day? Just put a time, and then it's going to also ask you for an end time. Are you going to end it at 11:59 at night? So you need to choose an end time. Who are you going to invite? Is it going to be friends of guests? Is it going to be public? Invite only. I always like to put public. That way everybody can see it. It will give you a link at the bottom that says invite guests, so you can invite all your friends on Facebook. You're going to click create. Once that comes up, it sets up your online party. In the left-hand corner, it's going to show empty photo. You need to put some kind of photo in there, so click to edit. You can put a picture of wraps, supplements, whatever you want to put in that empty place there. And then you can comment once you set up your party. Welcome to my online party. You can put whatever you'd like, add pictures, videos, and just start having your party and just telling people that it's $25 to wrap, whatever you want to post. So that's how you set up an online party. If you have any other questions, email me at bodywrapgal@gmail.com. My website is girlsbodywrap.com, and you can find me on Facebook as Body Wrap Gal. And we'll talk to you soon, and have great success with your party.